everyone. Greetings in the name of Lord Jesus Christ. My name is Prem. I hope you all are doing good at home. I just want to tell a story which is in Bible to encourage you that we can able to move forward in these struggling days. If we see in book of Mark chapter 10 verse 45 to 52, it says about the blind Bartimaeus. He is a beggar who is begging near the road, beside the road. When Jesus was entering into the Jericho with his disciples, and there was great multitude following him. When they were coming to Jericho, that the blind beggar who is beside the road and begging, he heard that Jesus is coming. When he heard Jesus coming, he got the faith that Jesus can heal him. So that he started shouting that, saying, Jesus, show some mercy on me. Son of David, show some mercy on me. When he was started shouting, crying out, the people who are beside the Jesus and following the Jesus, they started warned him that, shut up, be silent. But still that guy who is beside the road, the beggar, the blind man, he started shouting that he didn't even stop when the people are warning also. So that when he was shouting, that time the Jesus was calling him, invited him to him. Then the blind beggar threw his garments and he was following Jesus. He came to Jesus. When he came to Jesus, Jesus just asked him that, what can I do for you? When Jesus asked him, that guy told, I need eyesight to me. When he asked eyesight, then Jesus said, your faith is healing you. When he said, my faith is healing, his faith is healing, he got the sight. If you see in this story, this guy completely surrendered, completely depended on God. That's the reason he got his sight. That he knows that it cannot happen through him, but it can happen to the Lord Jesus Christ. That's the reason he shouted. There are many people who came to call Jesus that to share the struggles, to share the problems, but still God didn't even listen to their all prayers, didn't listen to their all speaks, but they listen only this guy who is shouting here and beside the road. If you see there, he completely surrendered him and he completely depended on only Lord Jesus, that it cannot happen through him, but it can happen only through Lord Jesus. So that's the reason when he depended on God, God kept his ears on him. When God kept his ears on him, he got the sight. And he believed that, and he had a faith that if I go to Jesus, it will happen. He will get his sight. That's the reason he threw his garments and he went. He didn't keep his garments there, but he threw his garments and he went, that he had a faith that if I go to Jesus, I'll get my sight. So that's the reason he threw his garments and he went. He know that he won't come back to that same place and he will beg. That's the reason he completely threw his garments. He surrendered his life to Lord Jesus. Completely surrendering is like trusting him and putting faith on him and completely following him, completely depending on him. That's what the blind Bartimaeus did there. So that's the same in that way. We need to surrender our lives to God, and we need to keep complete faith on that. It cannot happen through us, but it can happen only to God. It can happen only to Jesus Christ, because He is the God of Almighty, and there is nothing is impossible to Him. There is no word impossible in God's dictionary. So that's the reason we need to follow Him, that it cannot happen through us, but it can happen through Him. And that's the reason we need to surrender our lives. Means like we cannot give up by hopelessness, but we need to hope on Him that He can take us into the next level of our life. So in these struggling days, I just say it is very difficult, because the wave 2, second stage of wave is like very incredible, that it is destroying many of us. Like many of people are passing away, many of people are sleeping. If you see, a lot of pastors are passed away in this pandemic. So that we need to keep faith and we need to trust Him that it cannot happen through us if we stay at home also. If it came, we cannot able to leave, or we will pass away, we doesn't know. But the God who is with us is the God of Almighty. If we follow Him and if we surrender our lives to Him, He can take care of it, because He is the doctor. He is the biggest doctor. So that we need to follow Him and we need to surrender Himself to Lord Jesus. If we surrender Himself to Lord Jesus, our lives will change in the way which you cannot expect. That's the reason we need to follow Him and we need to trust Him. If we trust Him, everything He can take care. So I just encourage you that just be surrender Him and be faith and keep trust on Him and completely depend on Him. That we cannot change, but God can change everything. So I hope you can understand. I hope that you may follow this, and if you surrender, your life will change. You cannot expect, you cannot imagine your life how much it will change when if you surrender Him to life. So I hope that you understand what I said. Thank you so much. I hope you all are staying at home and be safe. If anybody is sick, just keep comment that we will pray for you, and be safe. Stay at home, sanitize yourself, and take social distance and be safe. God bless you. Thank you.